happy October. It is it's Thursday in October. Thursday in October, I think. It is going to be the warmest day we've had so far this month. The average temperature in October is like 60 degrees. It's going to get to like 61 today. I have not biked very much this year, or this October rather, because it's been super cold and rainy, and I've had a cold. But here I am biking in today, enjoying the beautiful, sunny, frosty morning, biking in downtown Minneapolis in the Capella Tower. Hope you guys have a great Thursday. Get out and enjoy the sun today. It's fleeting, but it's here. Hope you have a great Thursday. Get out and enjoy the weather. And if you get a chance, jump on your bike and go and check out some of the trails today.